First of all, happy 73rd Independence Day to all the people. We all know the history of our independence. Many people sacrificed their life for our independence, such as many great freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi ji. We all know that we got independence on 15th August 1947. This is history. All people will know the history. But actually, what is the reason to get independence? If that time people used to think, why for me independence, we will live like this. If they used to think like that, if today we used to not be like this, we used to be under someone, we used to be working under someone, we used to be as slaves. But their hard work, their sacrifices, there's everything which they served to us. We salute every freedom fighter who fought for us and who sacrificed their life for this great nation. Salute to all them. Because of their hard work, because of their sacrifices, because of their battles they fought, we are free today. We are free today. India is a democratic country, secular country, many things. We are really, the freedom fighters really, they are in our heart forever. We'll never forget them. Many people say, oh, this 26th January and 15th August, oh, national holiday. It is not a national holiday, it is a national festival. It is a national festival. It's our work, it is our responsibility to celebrate these two festivals among the nation. We all Indians should celebrate these both festivals and feel proud that we are Indians. India is a developing country, we people say, but yes, it is a developing country, but in this country there are many people who are working harder and harder to make this country a developed country. They wanted to see this great nation in the other countries which are reaching the heights. Our country also, one or the other day, definitely it will be in such heights. People are working hard. For example, in this situation, if you take, this is very crucial situation where people are suffering with virus. Many people sacrifice their life, and salute to all the corona warriors who tried their level best, and salute to all corona savers. Who are these corona savers? These all are doctors, policemen, all the government servants, all the respectable persons of this nation. We are developing by day. This lockdown, in this, government is unlocking everything. There was lockdown, then they started unlock 2.0, 3.0. Slowly, all things are going to unlock. Now it's our responsibility to take care of ourselves and as well as the others. We are responsible to take our and others. Means we have to take precautions of this virus, everything for ourselves, and we have to teach others who doesn't know about this all. We are independent country. This country is an independent country. If they used to not work harder and they used to not sacrifice their life, we people used to not be here. We used to be somewhere. We used to work under some people. We all know India got freedom in 15th August 1947 by Britishers. If they used to not work hard, if they used to not think the nationalism and this all freedom, if they used to not think at that time, today we used to be under Britishers. So thanks, we can't say thanks, just salute to them. Salute to all the freedom fighters. We people think, 15th August, right? We will salute national flag, we'll sing national anthem, we'll come. No, that's Independence Day, it's not over there. We have to spread the love. Such as, now people are suffering with some floods, natural disasters. We have to save them. Donate your money. Donate the money and they will be useful at there and they will feel happy. They give wishes to you. They pray to you. They pray for you. So be safe in homes. Everything is unlocking and we will be back to our life, routine life back. So be happy, be safe. Thank you for all your support which you people are giving to us. We really thank I and my team, and we all really thank from bottom of our hearts. Thank you very much. And we will be uploading more motivation and inspirational videos. And once again, happy 73rd Independence Day. And we are proud to be, we all should proud to be Indians.